So today is Rudy's first walk and we're all pretty excited about it. He's running around in the kitchen because we've introduced him to the kitchen for the first time today. And he has no idea what we're about to do, but it should be pretty cool. So we got Rudy 3 weeks ago and yeah, he went to the vets about a week and a half ago. Everything was fine. He had his injections, and now he's ready for his first walk. Yeah, so we started him off on a different harness. We've been trying to get him used to his harness and his lead ready for his first walk, which has been pretty unsuccessful so far. It's not been great. He just likes to bite everything. But yeah. Feels like longer than 3 weeks, really, since we brought him home. He's grown quite a lot. He's like put on a couple of kilos, and he feels like a bit of a bigger dog now, which is cool. So yeah, we're taking him out on his first walk today anyway, so should be interesting. You ready for your first walk? Hey, first walk is, yeah. Come on then. You ready for it, Jeff?
I am. I'm excited for it. Ready for your walks? Come on the walks.
Let's go walkies, boy.
You're getting your harness.
Come on then, I know you don't like your harness, but let's see how it goes. Come on then, boy. Let's go.
Come on. Right, stop you. You ready?
Yeah. Let's roll. Hey, boy. Come here. Come here. Oh.
Nearly straight
Not
through.
biting it. Put your head through. Come on. Let's get your head through. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here.
This is the challenge we have for a little bit.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's get your head through there. There we
Good
go.
boy.
That's safe to say that took a bit of doing.
Oh.
You look so good.
Come on.
Yeah, boy.
Go for walkies. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on. Oh. Are you ready
You ready,
for your
boy?
walk?
You ready for your walk? Let's go.
Outside.
It's outside.
Where are we going?
You what, Jeff?
He's scared. He's a right little chicken. He has freedom for the first time and he don't want it. Come on. Come on. First walk means first carrot. Do you want to have a look?
How's it going?
You know what? Okay. He's a bit of a chicken, Rudy. But once he's got used to it, he's happy now. Scared he's cutting
He's
it.
got his first stick. You get your first stick, boy. Rudy. Rudy.
What's he doing? Where's Joshua? Come on.
You enjoying your first stick?
Take it with you.
Take it with you. Come on, bring it.
Now, this is
Yeah,
the
good
outside
boy.
world.
Enjoying yourself now, aren't you, after a bit? Right, so I think the plan now is to maybe try and get him on a little bit of a walk. So far we've just come out to the patch of grass in front of the house and it's been a success actually after the start we had. But yeah, so now let's see if he'll go on a bit of a walk. There he goes.
He does like stones.
You've been a really good boy, you know. biting the lead neither. He's doing really well, not biting the lead.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm surprised.
Come on.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
So he's just witnessed the first dog he's ever seen. Didn't startle him too much, to be fair, and he didn't bark. He just sat there and watched it walk past.
I think he's not other people.
Yeah, other people, yeah, maybe. He's doing really well, though, I tell you.
His first one.
Aren't you, you little man? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's doing really well. Anyway, now approaching the second dog. Seems to be doing good, though. How's he doing, Jeff?
Pretty good, actually. Pretty good. It's okay. Come on. Good boy.
Smells the other dog was more styled than he was. He's doing all right.
Come on. He's been a good boy.
Well, I'd say that was a reasonable success.
Yeah.
He didn't bite the lead as much as I thought he was going to do.
Bit of a chicken at first. He had to sit on my lead, you know.
Yeah.
Then we had to carry him to the field because he was a bit too scared to walk.
But I think you got used to the harness quite quick as well.
Yeah.
How'd you like your first walk, mate? Did you enjoy it? Eh? Did you enjoy it? No!
That's it. Come on. Good boy. Come on. No. Rudy.
First little tantrum today.
Oh, sorry. I think his first walk's worn him out. He's tired now.
Come on.